Hey guys, let's talk about wigs today. In this video I'm gonna show you how to put them on and then how to wear them. If you're new to this or you have a little experience, then keep watching this video. Alright, so first thing that you need to know that all wigs have caps, so you can see it from the inside, yeah, and also they have some kind of clips like here. You need them so you could secure the wig on your head. So you just clip it. Also, there are several types of the wigs. One of them is like this one. It has a very regular cap and hairline. It's usually very cheap. And also there are lace front wigs. You probably heard about them. So I'm gonna talk about the difference in the next video. And if you don't want to miss it, then subscribe to the channel. So usually when you buy a wig, it goes with the protective cap. They're very narrow and tight. Yeah, that looks like a net. So it's better if you start with braiding your hair. Then you just put it on your neck and keep the white stripe here down on your hairline. I personally hate these caps because they're very tight, and I think in 30 to 60 minutes I get a headache. But they keep your hair really under the wig, so if you're wearing it for a little time, you should be fine. Okay, let's try to put it on. Different people put it in a different way, but I'll just do it like this. Right. So it's a bit loose for me now, and I'm gonna use these clips that I mentioned already, and I'm going to secure the wig. So as you can see the clip is here. It's all clipped and secure. Actually, this wig is quite cheap. I think I got it from Aliexpress. It was one of my first wigs because I wanted to cosplay a character from Queen's Gambit, but I never did it, so I just used it for my other looks. As you can see, the hairline is not really natural, but again, if you're going to wear it for Halloween or some party, I think that will be alright. And besides, you can always wear a headpiece or a hat or accessory or something like this, so you can cover this hairline. This cap that I got with another wig reminds me of nylon tights, but actually it's much better, at least personally for me, because it's kind of more loose and it doesn't squeeze your head. So let me show. It's basically the same technique. You just put it on like this, and it feels so much better. I think with this cap I can last for a couple of hours. Okay, so this one is lace front gorgeous wig. Look at this. Yeah, it's very long. And as you can see what I mean by lace front, so there is lace underneath the cap that you need to cut once you get this wig. Okay, let's try it on. So with the lace front wig, you barely actually notice that this is a wig, because this hairline, it blends in with your skin. For some wigs, you can use a glue. I'll show you. For example, you can put it here and just glue it to your skin. But please order glue that is specifically made for wigs, not just like any kind of glue, especially not super glue. But I usually don't use glues because all my photo shoots are home-based, so I don't really need them. But if you go for an event, for a festival or something like this, yes, you can use it. So I'm planning to shoot more videos about the wigs, for example, how to avoid mistakes when you're buying them, for example, how much they should actually cost, which brands to choose, and also what's the difference between regular wigs and lace front wigs, which ones you should choose. And also I really want to do a big review of my 9 wigs. I have like 9 wigs, unbelievable. So I'm gonna show all of them, and with the prices, with the companies, with everything. So you will see and you can compare. Thank you for watching, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.